Good morning. My name is Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Street 154 in Acworth, Georgia. We have a second location at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Today is Friday, September the 22nd, 2023. And if you know what today is, like I know what today is, that means you know it's Free Diagnostic Fridays. That means if you have a computer, laptop, desktop, gaming rig, Apple device, and you just don't know what's wrong with it, bring it to Computers Plus and we'll diagnose it at no charge. That's up to a $65 value on Fridays. Gaming desktop, Apple laptop, it makes no difference. It makes no difference on actually what electronic it is. We've done DVD players, we've done VHS players, we've done soldering. We do a wide assortment of different things when it comes to tech. You can get more information on that on our website at computersplususa.com. You can, if you are viewing this podcast, you can actually get your device fixed by one of our techs, possibly me, if you mail it into us. You can go on our website at computersplususa.com, click the icon that says mail in a device, and when you go through the process, you will get your laptop, touch base with you, or desktop, touch base with you, and let you know if it's worth fixing, if it's not worth fixing. And that's really what makes Free Diagnostic Fridays so important, because in this busy world of things happening, bills and stuff, you got to think to yourself, is it worth fixing this tech, or is it not worth fixing it, and do I need to buy a new one? We can get that answer solved for you on Fridays. Give us 3 to 5 business days to get back with you and let you know again, is it worth fixing or not worth fixing? Now, most people don't realize that today is a day that I want to talk about our Halloween costume contest. I had a little brain freeze there. You know what I mean. It's Friday, right? I'm like thinking about like, what am I going to do on Friday? Okay, I got some computers I got to fix, and then I got the weekend coming up. You might have a great weekend coming up. This is a fall break, winter break. Is it winter break? It's winter break. Fall break. I got to figure that out. And this is the time that parents are getting on they're getting the kids into the car, they're getting to plan the trips, they're doing something amazing. If you're doing something amazing and you're looking at this video, please drop a comment and let us know what you're doing. We'd love to hear from all our fans and all our viewers and everybody out there in Facebook land. We are also streaming this on YouTube eventually, and we're getting this ready for TikTok as well. So we'll see you guys at all those platforms. Instagram just as well. Now, Halloween costume contest from October 1st to October 31st. You got to come to Computers Plus in your savoir faire, really cool costume, and let us judge you. And we'll not like literally judge you, but we're going to say, okay, we're going to say, hey, this is cool, this person win, this person not. We're giving away 5 different prizes. 5 different prizes, from Apple laptop to a drone. So this is your chance to get some cool tech for the holidays. You might want to re-gift it and give it to a loved one. So Halloween costume contest starting October 1st, ending October 31st. We got some pictures on our Facebook page. You can look at some past winners and what they won. But we want to get some fresh ideas. So we're so excited. You'll be seeing the staff here dressed up in our zany, crazy Halloween costumes as well. So it'll be a lot of fun. We look forward to seeing you guys. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, and we'll see you guys soon. I'm going to get out of here and get back to work. Bye. Free Diagnostic Fridays.